Hi, this is Enrique Dim from Colorlight. Welcome to our booth and welcome to InfoComm 2026. I want to introduce one of our star product. It's AX series. So A represents AI. So we integrated AI function inside of this small box of Colorlight. So this is mainly used in situations like all-in-one machine and in some meeting rooms and or in some home theater. You can check it's just a small box, but it has AI features. One of the AI feature I want to mention is called SR, Super Resolution. You can check the screen here. So this is the local content. So as soon as turn on the SR functions, you can check there. So originally it's a 2K video, but as soon as I turn on the AI function, it turns to the 4K content. So when customers they have a lower quality content, we can use the AI function to help customers achieve a better experience. And the other function I want to mention is the MEMC. It adds using AI to add frames in between two frames. So as long as it turn on the MEMC AI function, you can check. There is a very obvious change. You can check there. So it originally is 25 frames per second, but as I turn on this AI function, it turns on the 60 frames per second. So making the motion moves more slowly, more smoothly. All right, and it's based on Android 16, and there's much more to explore. So welcome to coming to our Colorlight website, colorlightinside.com. Thank you so much.